I'm given the task to welcome everyone this evening. I'm not sure if we need welcoming because we belong to this celebrating class, so we are all part of it. So I really don't know how to exactly how to. But first off, I want to take this opportunity, my dear classmates, to appreciate and acknowledge certain people. I'm sure these people did not sacrifice to organize this evening's event to be recognized. But they surely deserve to be recognized and appreciated because they really did a huge job, huge job. And as we can see, we are all enjoying because this is a successful event because of the effort of this certain classmates of ours. So I'd like to, in behalf of the class, we would like to appreciate and acknowledge the people who organized this event. Not in particular order. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung pinakamalaki yung binigay, no? Pero dito rin lang. Limuel, Rudio. Like what I said, Lem, you're the man. Alright, thank you. Of course, Dr. Rhea Nera. Our not class ano kang tawag sa kanya? Alumni class president, tama? Emma Milian. Even without us knowing, she ably represents our batch in a lot of events. So we should thank her. Thank you, Ma'am Emma. And of course, Mia Bear, thank you. Last Christmas, I was invited, akala ko get together lang sa Shakey's. And then nagulat ako, may agenda pala yung get together. So I was amazed that they were able to think about organizing our 30th reunion or homecoming anniversary. So I thought after our 25th, which was in 2019, it will be followed by our 50th. Sabi ko nga, sino kaya? Who will make it? So it's a contest, no? But here we are on our 30th. And thank you once again to these people who have organized. And nakikita ko yung post kahit bihira lang ako mag-check ng Facebook, yung group chat natin, but I see them going around, visiting people, visiting our former teachers. So they really made a lot of effort and sacrifices for our event. So they really deserve our gratitude. Thank you once again, guys. The next people that I want to appreciate and recognize are the people seated here in this table. Kompleto, no? Wow, parang pinangalabutan. First year to fourth year advisors. Wow. Not until I became a father did I recognize our teachers. Noon parang mahirap lang sa buhay ng estudyante. Di ba? Sayang, imbis na magkwentuhan na lang, di ba? Makasaran, maglaro, papasok ka pag present. Sayang yung oras, no? Pasok eh, ganyan. But not until I became a father and I became concerned about the future of my kids did I recognize and realize the sacrifices and the importance of what they did to us. Not to mention na libre, no? Yung wala tayong tuition ng araw and that they still taught us. Ngayon, ang mahal-mahal ng tuition, hindi pa masyadong tinuturuan. So, you see, these people really, not only these four great people here, but also I remember our subject teachers who are not here, and so sorry. But I know once in a while we met them around. Sana we don't forget to thank them. Just to let them know that we really appreciate their efforts for teaching us. Hindi naman ako yung key speaker, marami sana akong sasabihin. But Sir Conde, Ma'am Solis, Ma'am Rigor, and Ma'am Makato, thank you very much. You see, even up to our 30th, they're still supporting us. They made effort to be here. They traveled how many hours just to grace our occasion tonight. You see how they really support us. And I know they love us. Kahit na si Ma'am Solis ilang beses na pinaiyak natin. Let me take this opportunity, Ma'am, to say sorry. We didn't mean to. Ayun. Thank you very much po. From the bottom of our hearts, we really appreciate your mentoring, your efforts, your sacrifices, not only for our batch, but for all the students that have gone through Tayug National High School during your tenure. Thank you very much. And of course, this event will not be as successful and joyful without each and every one of us. So thank you very much, my dear classmates, for taking time. I'm parang estimate ko we're only half, no, of our section. So sorry for those who did not make it. I'm not judging them. Maybe they really have a personal and important reason why they were not able to come here. But I think and I believe they will really miss. Yes. Yeah. But for us who are here who made it, let's make it count. Let's enjoy. Sabi nga kanina ng ating host, we will really miss long time. Since we've been together. Masaya, nag-aaway, nagkakatampuhan, di ba? And then, tatawanan. So, yun lang, pagkata pa lang ng liyan namin alma mater, parang may flashback. Ayun. So, I'm sure there will be a lot of memories that will be shared tonight, and we will make new memories tonight that we will carry for the coming years and share to those who unfortunately could not make it tonight. So, yun po. Let's just enjoy. Let's make the most out of this event that we have. So, let's set aside yung nakakahiyaan or inhibitions. Wala po. Pare-pareho lang po tayo, classmates. We are all welcome. And I'm sure everyone is happy to see each other. We also would like to thank, of course, our hosts. Thank you very much po for making this event extra special with your presence here and your participation. Of course, we have our band here. The venue, we'd like to thank the venue for giving us a wonderful place to celebrate tonight. So that's it, classmates. Let's enjoy the night, and Ayun po. Thank you very much for coming.